Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are going to do some live diving hopefully today. If this gets uploaded, that means I probably found some stuff. I'm in a bit of a hurry, so we're just gonna stay quick. This looks like garbage to me. It smells good though. There's a cut cord and stuff. Okay. Like I said, I'm in a rush, so we are not going to dig around any further than that for now, but we are going to head over to the dollar store really quick. Looks like it might be empty because the bar is down over the lid. And it's been raining forever here. October is our rainy month, I guess. Yeah, can you guys see that? Okay, that one's empty. I'll bring you guys back when we hit the next stop. We are coming up on the pharmacy, and I did just find a few things here 2 days ago, so I'm not sure if they will have anything, but obviously the dumpster, or the trash people came, because the dumpster's never over here. Yeah, that's just garbage. They moved it too far back. I had to step in a puddle to get there. Alright, next dumpster is that store right there. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. Definitely can't take those. Yeah, there's some stuff in here. Pickles. Oh, cool. Alright, yeah, there's some stuff. I'm gonna grab it. Alrighty, so it is the next day for me, which means it's Halloween, so happy Halloween to everybody. I am a little... This car might be coming. I'm gonna pull over for a second. Okay, so today is Thursday. It's Halloween, like I said. My schedule is a little bit different today due to Halloween because I work with kids. So my schedule has changed a little bit, which means that I get to hit some stores that I haven't been able to hit on Thursdays in over 2 months. So I am excited about that. I'm just going to turn around here because I pulled over for that car so I could talk to you guys for a second. And we are here. It's exactly 4 o'clock. It is the most miserable Halloween day today, so I'm hoping that I still get a decent amount of kids. It's been raining for like 4 days nonstop, and we're gonna get some snow. Well, we're expected to get some snow in just a few hours, so let's check here. Alright, there might be some stuff there. Ooh, this box is heavy. Okay, those are obviously broken. Oh, those are cool. A tiny chip right there. We'll take that. Yeah, they destroyed those. Those were super nice. Those were so nice. And they destroyed them. It's really upsetting because I for sure would have worn that. Maybe I'll try to fix this one. Okay. Alrighty, we'll call that a day. Next dumpster, there's some pallets here. They're actually like right in front of the fire hydrant, which is stupid. Oh, you guys can't see anything. Alright, let's go check. This is where I found that Santa that they had slashed. Okay, I can see something right there. A broken candle. Okay, it looks like a lamp, and they did not cut the cord. And ow, I think that's a broken mirror because I was in here before too. It's broken though. It's pretty. It is very pretty, but I don't have anywhere to put it. I don't think it would be too hard to fix either. Oh yeah, it's missing a whole section right there. We're gonna leave that behind, unfortunately. Oh, that's just a frame. Alrighty. I'm gonna check a little bit more. It's a good thing I dug around a little more because I did find that I gave you a sneak peek of right there, but I'll show you more in just a second. We are pulling up, well, not quite yet, but we're about to pull up to the last stop of this strip mall, and I'm gonna get some gas and head to a different strip mall before I head home. And I'm gonna stop at Chipotle because today on Halloween, if you wear your costume at Chipotle, you get a $4 meal, like a burrito bowl, taco salad, stuff like that. So I have a banana costume that I'm gonna wear and get my cheap Chipotle. Okay, here we are. I'm always cautious here because it's right by the door. This one I think does have a compactor, but they do throw a lot of stuff away still. We have 2 dumpsters. Okay. Well, unfortunately that just looks like garbage today. Okay, so I am the worst, and it has been 2 more days. It is now November 2nd, and we're still live diving. This is like a week-long live dive here. But my car did die, so I was out of commission for just a little bit, but I am good. We are all good now, and we are back where we were. So again, there's another car coming. We're going to let him go by. Obviously, Halloween happened. I only got 12 kids. But, you know, I will manage. I have a lot left over, obviously. Okay. So, backing up here. Sorry for this bad filming. We are at that store once again, 2 days later. I think it's been 2 days. Let's check. Okay. Cookies for Santa. I think that's completely shattered. I'm gonna check out those Nikes though. And there's brows and something over there. This is gonna be our last stop of the day. or a few days, I guess. Nothing in that one. Oh yeah, I see some stuff over there. Hopefully it's not destroyed. Oh, I don't want to be too loud. I don't know. Okay, guys, there's stuff in here. Do you see that? I don't want to take too long. Oh, so cute. Okay, I'm gonna grab this stuff and get going. Okay, we are back for the recap. We are on the couch. The lighting in my house is horrible, and my floors are a mess because of all of the leaves. So, with that being said, putting that to the side, I got quite a good haul this trip, and I've actually been like simultaneously live diving and non-live diving for the past few days. So I'm saving the stuff that I didn't show you finding on camera for just a separate regular haul. So my car has been full, and I've been a little bit overwhelmed with how full it was. So now I'm going to get this hauled for you guys, and I will get it where it's going to go, where it's going to end up in the world. So starting right here, you guys saw me find all of this, at least somewhat. This was what was in the bottom corner of one of those last stores that I just showed you. It is Mont Blanc. It's like man scented. This is a shower gel. This is like a roll-on cologne. I don't know what this is, but something either spilled in here or leaked or broke. They don't look broken though, but it has a very strong scent to it. So there's that. At least parts of it will make a nice gift. Same with this. This is Spode Christmas Tree by Pimpernel. The little platter on the bottom is broken up here, but the two cups, the two mugs, are perfect. Those are brand new. Let's see if there was a price on here. No, it's covered up. Okay, so there's that. I got this cute little cat mug. Check me out. It does have that little chip back there, so I wouldn't use it for drinking, but it would be cute to have a plant in it or something. This beautiful frame has mirrored edge. The only problem is there's a little crack in the glass right here at the bottom. And then same store as that, I got this brow pen, Flawless Brows finishing tool. Okay, we're just going to be all over the place here. I have this beautiful, beautiful chippy turquoise wood frame. It is just missing its glass. The stuff on the back is perfect. I think this is gorgeous. I'm going to keep this and give it to my sister. And then back here, which I also love, don't mind my background mess like I mentioned, is a tiered tray. I rewatched my live dive, and it looks like I just kind of tossed this to the side, but trust me, I did take it, of course. The only thing is I think there's a little something stuck in this bottom part because it doesn't screw all the way down so it's flush with the top here, so it's a little bit wobbly. I just have to check that out, but everything else on it is perfect. It's like a rose gold with just a silver platters. It's beautiful. So that's very nice. I have 2 big barrels of pickles. Nothing wrong with those. Everything from this store, it just had some stuff in the case broken. Same with this Victor Allen's Iced Original Latte. There is maybe one or two broken in here. So still quite a few of these iced coffee beverages. And then these, which I think are absolutely awesome. They are, okay, first of all, they're glass. And these jars are the coolest thing I've ever seen, ever. They are skulls. But they're not like that because of Halloween. That's just the brand of hot sauce. This is hot sauce. Again, 2 of them in the case were broken. Maybe 1, I don't know. I had 6 of them, so there must be 1 left in my car. I did give 1 to my sister to try out because she's like a hot sauce connoisseur. So I think these are awesome. And it even has like a Deadly Bloody Mary recipe on it as well. Super cool there. Okay, so this is interesting. These came from this store right there. These all 3 came today at my last bits of the haul, but then I have this one up here, which I'll show you in a second. I kind of skipped it. So I have these two adorable, adorable little toddler Nike shirts. They actually look a little bigger than they're labeled as. I guess not, maybe. This is a 2T pink Nike dry fit. It was $13, long sleeve shirt. I have no idea why they threw that out. This one is a 3T gray, has the Nike swoosh, long sleeves. If you ever go running with your toddler, absolutely adorable. And then I guess they sell, you know, marked off name brand clothes, because this is Charlotte Russe, and I'm pretty sure that store closed down. So that also came from that store. None of those are destroyed whatsoever. But you saw from that same store in an earlier clip of this video, they had these two fabulous sweatshirts that were each $40, brand new, that they had torn up. And they were both thrown up because they had some dirt on the shoulder. This one I did sew up. It's not the greatest. I'll have to fix it if I plan on wearing it, but they're just so nice. And they destroyed those to pieces, but these down here they didn't do anything to. So I don't really know what the situation is. Moving on, same store. I found these string lights. These are awesome. This one down here is just missing the bulb shattered, but the light still works, as you guys can see. And then I have this adorable skiing bear, polar bear. He is broken on the back, but that doesn't really matter. You couldn't even tell if you looked at him from the front. His hand also broke off. I tried to glue it, but I didn't have time to hold it to let it dry. That's an easy fix. You won't even really be able to tell once I have a chance to really let it dry. So, look at his little face. He's adorable. There's that. Let's finish out that store really quick. I have this Hawaiian Santa. His hair is very soft. He is, I'm assuming, missing his arms, but I think he's still super cool. I'm going to give him to my parents. And then I have this little flocked Christmas tree. It's styrofoam at the bottom, so it was missing its vase or whatever it came in. That is an extremely easy fix, and I do love flocked Christmas trees, so I will be keeping that. And then this little set of 3 silver and gold Christmas trees. This one just came off the base. That is an extremely easy fix. And this is how, I don't want to say hoarding because I don't have like an emotional attachment to everything, but this is how, I am going to use the word hoarding. This is how the hoarding starts, because I'm already finding so much Christmas stuff and it's all so cute, and I find this stuff like more and more and more and more every year, and I don't want to get rid of any of it because it's so cute. So that's why sometimes I have to take breaks and leave stuff behind, give stuff away, whatever, because, you know, how could you not love this little guy? And then the last thing from that store is this beautiful mirrored piece right here. The mirrors are not broken. It does have some broken glass in there that I have to be careful of. They're both intact. Somehow it just got squished down here at the bottom. So I think, yeah, it's pretty soft metal. That was a bad shot, but I should be able to just pull that up and it'll sit perfectly. And then the last little bit from this haul here is this beautiful piece. It says, "Always be joyful." And this was thrown away. The only reason I can tell is because it has a few scratches on it. It's not a chalkboard, it's just black. That's the only reason. This piece is actually not solely a Christmas piece. They have it on clearance on their website right now for $11.97, which is a pretty good deal actually. But they rebranded it with this Christmas stuff on the top. So now it's Christmas. I do think I'll use it for Christmas. I might even keep this ribbon and this little greenery on it. But I do think that's also very, very nice, and I was lucky to find all of this. So, thanks for coming along with me today. I know I'm really horrible at live diving. It's just hard on my own. But, as you guys can see, I did get quite a few awesome things. So, as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. And I will be back soon with more dumpster diving videos. Thank you.